2024 for US traders is the year of regulation. Yes, that is what everybody is talking about. This is what you should be worried about if you are using an unregulated broker. If you're trading Forex, if you're trading indices, and you are using an unregulated broker, look, just get your money out, transfer your funds into a regulated broker, and trade another market. Right? Someone has to say, we cannot be naive as entrepreneurs because as traders, we are effectively entrepreneurs. You see entrepreneurs, successful ones, have their investments, right? And if they see any kind of mad thing coming towards their investment, something that might damage their investment, they pivot. Why should we be any different? Right? Why should we be any different? We must pivot also. If you're trading NAS 100 or US 30 or SPX, for example, and you trade indices, you can't be stubborn. You trade indices, right? You have to, even though you might be comfortable with trading indices, you have to, or Forex for that matter, right? You have to pivot. You have to start to learn how to trade futures, right? That's where this conversation brings us. If I can't trade indices or Forex, if I can't trade with offshore, non-regulated brokers that give me extremely high leverage and that I'm used to, then what am I going to trade with, right? That's what you're asking. And I understand. I completely understand. But with everything in life, nothing good lasts forever, right? So this move would be very smart in 2024. If you are an index, if you trade indices, Forex, right? If you have most of your funds in unregulated brokers, you should get them out and learn new skills. 2024 is the year of learning to trade new markets. Look, if you already know how to trade and you have a good system, you can trade any market. A chart is a chart. Okay? A chart is a chart. Let's go back to indices, right? If you trade NAS 100, the futures equivalent is the ticker symbol NQ. You can trade futures on regulated brokers, right? There are many benefits to trading with regulated brokers. NAS 100, US 30, equivalent ticker is YM, right? SPX, ES, right? So you have your equivalent futures market Um, and it may be daunting, trying to change your normal flow of things, but it's going to be necessary, very necessary, especially because of all of the brokers, the unregulated brokers getting kicked off of MetaTrader, people's accounts getting closed. You don't want to be that guy who loses his account and completely loses all that money in the account, an account that you worked so hard to build up. In one of my other videos, I described how an unregulated broker actually works, right? What they do is, let's say you have this broker, right? You think that you're trading on the real market, but in fact, you're trading on a simulated market. They create that simulation, and you're trading on a completely simulated market, on the live market, right? That's why if you look at US 30 and the tickers offered by different brokers, you'll see that they all have a different price. Indices, whatever you want to look at, they all have a different price because they simulate the market. And not only that, but they actually see everything that you do, all your entries. Not only that, but they also set the price and the spread. So not only are they the broker, but they're also the market maker, right? And that is very dangerous. That's why a lot of people are losing their money. That in and of itself, there's an inherent risk. They can do whatever they want with impunity, and you can't do anything about it. Everybody who uses these brokers knows in the back of their head, in the back of their mind, that, this could go south at any moment. So what this video was made for was to just implore you to switch to a regulated broker. If you're with an unregulated broker, switch to a regulated broker and start trading futures. Okay? So if you had any more questions, thoughts, or you wanted some more advice, just send me an email or leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to converse with you all regarding this. I want to know what brokers you're going to switch to. I want to know what what markets you're going to start trading. Like I said, futures is a good transition for most traders who have a decent system and are profitable in their market. So if you trade indices, there are already, like I explained, there are the equivalent futures. And yeah, let me know what your next move is going to be. I'd like to see, right? Let's keep this discussion going and try to get more people to secure their funds, right? We want to secure all our funds. And we want to learn and move into expanding our skill sets. Nothing good lasts forever, right? So with that in mind, Let's make smarter decisions with our trading. Thank you. Talk to you soon.